Isotopes. Atoms of an element that have more or less neutrons than the average atomic mass.
Isotopes of the same element are in the same position on the periodic table because only the neutrons are different, not the protons.
Average atomic mass is the average mass of an element. To find the average atomic mass, find the isotopes of the element and the percent abundance of each isotope, and then put it into this equation. Mass of isotope 1 times its percent abundance plus mass of isotope 2 times its percent abundance.
Okay, here's our example. There is carbon 21.175 that has a percent abundance of 25%, and there's carbon 9.075 that has a percent abundance of 75%. What is the average atomic mass? Now remember the equation that Tristan said earlier.
Mass of isotope 1 times its percent abundance plus mass of isotope 2 times its percent abundance.
Now that we know the equation, let's plug it in. So, carbon 21.175 has a percent abundance of 25%. So, you write 21.175 times 0.25. And that's the first part of the equation. Then you have plus carbon 9.075, and it has a percent abundance of 75%. So you write 9.075 times 0.75. So this is the average atomic mass, or is the atomic mass of carbon 21.175, and this is the percent abundance. This is the mass of carbon 9.075, and this is the percent abundance. So now you do the multiplication, and it comes out to equaling 12.1, which if you look on the periodic table, that is the atomic mass of carbon. Thank you.
Okay, percent abundance. So the equation for percent abundance is right here. You have the atomic weight of the isotope number 1 times x, which x is the percent abundance, plus the atomic weight of isotope number 2 times 1 minus x, and that's your average atomic mass. So the question is, oxygen has two isotopes, oxygen 12 and oxygen 28. Find the percent abundance. Now here's Slade to take you step by step.
You have 12x plus 28 in parentheses, 1 minus x, and parentheses equals 16. So you distribute the 12 and to the x. So it's 12x plus, and you distribute the 28 with the 1 minus x. So it's plus 28 minus 28x, which equals 16. So now you can subtract 28 from the equation on both sides, 28, which equals negative 12. And that negative 12 equals 12x minus 28x. You can simplify this to negative 16x equals negative 12. So now you divide negative 16 from the equation, and that equals x equals 0.75. So now you've plugged 0.75 into this equation, so it's x equals 0.75 is the percent abundance for isotope 1, and 1 minus x, which is 0.25, is the percent abundance for isotope number 2. So equals number 2 equals number 1. Thank you. This has been a Rogers Roberts production. Thank you for watching.